This is a short video to introduce Humley Extender Toolkit. The Humley Extender Toolkit is designed to allow us to integrate real-time third-party information sources into our cognitive digital assistant powered by IBM Watson. Well, what does that mean? It means that a user can ask a natural language question. When our system believes that the question is best answered by a third-party data source or real-time information from a third party, we can make that dynamic API call and pass the answers back to the user. So let's see that in action. What's the weather like in London? So it takes my question, it processes using IBM Watson and understands that the right answer is to go and fetch the weather forecast for London and present that back to me. So in London, it's a mix of clouds and sun. Let's try in Edinburgh. What's the weather like in Edinburgh? So now, because the question is subtly different, Humley will pull apart that question and know to dynamically ask the Weather Channel API a different question. This time it's asking about the weather in Edinburgh, and this time Edinburgh is having a very sunny day. So now we can see this cognitive digital assistant managing to expand outside of its typical domain of what has been given to it as a corpus of information and starts to bring in a much wider variety of information. Now we can do this with social media. Who's talking about Humley? We take this question and we bring it outside of our domain into what Twitter is saying about Humley. So here's a few of the latest tweets talking about Humley. Or we can do things which are perhaps more useful to users for their daily lives. Where is the nearest vegetarian restaurant in London? So now, powered by Foursquare in this case, we can go and fetch a real-time selection of restaurants fitting my criteria. These are vegetarian restaurants in the London area. Together with the Humley's toolkit, we are now able to very quickly integrate into third-party APIs and build a set of solutions which will allow us to broaden the information and the services we can provide end users, still using that natural language, cognitive, and dynamic response to users. Thank you.